2.5 squarebill.
I'm going to try to duplicate realistic. Kind of cut off this excess, just because I don't have to have it sticking out all over the place. There we go. Okay, and the way I do it, I got
these spring clamps. You know, you end up moving this thing around a little bit, and it was kind of digging into the bill. Okay, here we go. Here's the way I do it. I don't always use these things, helping hands, because I like to pick it up. I like to pick up the bait, move it around, spray it. It's a primer on there, white primer. Just a thin coat. These are all like $1.29 paints that I got at either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. All right, you don't have to buy special airbrush paint. And I've reduced all of these paints with this reducer. This is craft store paint. I changed it into this bottle because this has already been reduced. Okay, this is going to be the belly. This is festive green. And I'm going to go over the whole rest of it with this.
There we go. Try that.
Okay, now I'm going to start using my stencil. So I want to put a protective clear coat on this, and this is Pledge Revive It. It'll help keep it from getting scratched when I'm laying my stencil on there. See that? Paint inside there. Just wipe that out. That's the way I do it. Okay. Let's get our intercoat thin. Just gonna shoot this real quick. Stencil. Okay, we're going to go with the gray bars. I cut this out. This registers against the bill here. There's our barring. Just because the next couple of stencils we're going to put on could scratch this gray. Clean out my brush. Probably don't need to clean out. Next color is sort of an olive green. I'm not going to tape this on. I'm just going to hold it on there and shoot. Getting a little color on there. Okay, we got some modeling by doing that. This is called avocado green. So I got the bright green, no, the festive green. And then the medium green, and now avocado green. Going a little heavier on this. The avocado. A little heavier with the avocado green. Oop, a little splatter. Doesn't matter. Shot the whole back. Okay. The final color is going to be a black. And this is just craft store paint. I'm going to go real light on this though, because I don't want to get this thing too dark. So here we go. I'm going to dry this off. Another good thing to do when you get these glitter ribbons when they're new, get all that glitter off of there, because once you get that glitter off your lure, it's not coming off. Okay, here we go. Gonna go light with this on the sides. Mostly up toward the top too. There we go. See? That's all you need. There we go. I'm going to hit this hole, hit the back, blend this in a little bit, down the sides a little bit, get the eyes. There we go. Darken that up a little bit. Okay, we got to get all this black out of here. So I don't want to have any black splatters going in there. I'll get rid of it. Okay, this is jack-o'-lantern orange. Jack-o'-lantern orange. This is awesome on the belly, I'm telling you. There we go. What do you think so far? Okay, now there's a little orange in the bowl here. I'm just gonna add in a drop of red. What was that? Was that 2 drops? Maybe 2 drops. I just want to deepen up that. That orange. Just mix in the bowl. You don't need to make a special mix. Here you go. There, nice. I'm gonna try to get that underside of these gills. Shoot at an angle. Nice. All right. Okay, so I'm trying to go fast here. Try not to take too much time on make it a long video. So I'm gonna kind of cheat here because I said this was going to be all craft paint, but I hadn't found a good craft paint color that matches this Wicked Laguna blue. You want to put just a little, you want to put some blue on these gills. Okay. I'm going to save that one for later. We're going to use that one today too. This is the, no, that's not the one. This is the one. No, that ain't it. Sorry. Here we go. Found it. There's our blue. Dry after stencil too. Oh my God, almost dropped it. Okay, how's that looking? How's that? Pretty even? Pretty even. Loving it. Okay. Black. More than enough. I mean, really, it's like a drop. Try this. I want to scratch it. See this stencil? I laid a blank on a copier, copied a shape, did a few of them, cut them all out, laid them on a 8.5 by 11, made a bunch of these, cut them out. Some are positives, some are negatives. It's just this is 40 weight printer paper. It's heavy duty printer paper. It's not really cardstock. There we go. There we go. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Dry out my stencil. Dry that out.
Green eyed loader. These are kind of weird. I don't know. Oh yeah. Whoa! There you go. Uh-oh. There we go. Whoa! Rad.
What do you think? Go fishing.